Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery cable to disable airbags and electronics. This prevents damage. Next, remove the cup holder liner and pry off trim with a plastic trim tool so you avoid scratches. Once done, locate and remove the two 10mm bolts at the front base of the center console. These secure the shroud. You're creating working room, so move the driver's seat rearward slightly to gain clearance and keep fasteners organized in a labeled container. You'll now remove the rear fasteners. Reach under the armrest and unbolt the 10mm screws holding the aft console section. These hide under the mat. Carefully unplug every electrical connector, power outlets, USB harness, and any rear climate or heated seat plugs, pressing the tabs as you pull to avoid broken clips. Then lift the rear of the console upward while angling it over the parking brake lever. This maneuver frees the console from its mounts without stressing the cables. You finish by sliding the console forward to disengage the front mounting points, then lift it straight up and out while watching for hidden wiring. Inspect all plastic clips and replace any broken retainers so the console refits snugly. Keep the bolts by location for reassembly. When reinstalling, reconnect electrical plugs and tighten bolts to manufacturer torque if available. If something doesn't power up after reconnecting the battery, make sure grounds and connector pins are fully seated. Clean corrosion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.